Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn 1. What is bookkeeping? And 2. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? So let's get started. One. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping usually involves only the recording of economic events of a business. The task of bookkeeping is to record the transactions primarily in the book of accounts and to classify the transactions recorded. 2. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? It is assumed that bookkeeping and accounting are the same and that there is no difference between them. Truly. But there is a huge difference between them because of the accounting work starts where the bookkeeping work ends. The difference between bookkeeping and accounting is as follows. 1. Bookkeeping is the recording step of accounting where accounting is a practical system. 2. The task of bookkeeping is to record the transactions primarily in the book of accounts and to classify the transactions recorded where the main task of accounting is to prepare an accounting statement from the transactions recorded in the book of accounts and to analyze and interpret the recorded accounts and provide the information obtained from it to the concerned user or party. 3. The bookkeeping process involves the application of 2 steps of the accounting cycle. Journalizing and ledger posting where the work of accounting begins where the bookkeeping work ends. 4. Bookkeeping is carried out by junior staff where accounting is done by senior staff with skill of analysis and interpretation. 5. Bookkeeping is the basic level of accounting where accounting is the language of business. 6. Output of bookkeeping is an input for accounting where output of accounting permits informed judgments and decisions by the users of accounting information. I hope you have understood. If you want to know more, please visit our website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info. Thank you.